US-American fighter jet shocks the world. The US Air Force revealed that they designed and evaluated a new fighter jet that was included in the Next Generation Air Dominance program. It was built to replace the mighty F-22 Raptor. In this video, we'll dive into the modernization, sustainment, and warfighting capabilities of an F-22 aircraft. The F-22 Raptor includes a well-designed sensor suit that helps the pilot target, identify, shoot, and destroy any possible air threats even before being detected. You're going to want to stay till the end of the video because we're telling you the secrets of why America never sold the F-22 Raptor to foreign countries and clients. Modernization and sustainment. Raptor is incomparable and superior to any other modern military aircraft as it uses low observable technologies, advanced avionics, and efficient engines. It is one of the main utilities of the Global Strike Task Force, which is formed to project air dominance at long distances and great speeds. It also detects and destroys threats to the US military. F-22 Raptor destroys any possible threats by using a blend of sensor capability, weapons, and situational awareness installed in the aircraft. The advanced mechanism in cockpit design improves the pilot's situational awareness. The Raptor is capable of carrying 2 AIM-9 Sidewinders and 6 AIM-120 AMRAAMs for air-to-air encounters and attack surface targets. Moreover, the aircraft is also capable of carrying 2 GBU-32 Joint Direct Attack munitions internally in air-to-ground encounters. In the future, it will be improved with enhanced radar and small-diameter bombs. It will be capable of carrying 2 AIM-9s and 2 AIM-120s, each in air-to-ground conflicts. Low observable technologies were advanced in F-22, which helps in survivability and lethality against air and surface threats. Do you guys know that the F-22 engines can produce more thrust than any current fighter engine? The combination of an enhanced aerodynamic design and thrust allows the F-22 to fly at high speed that is approximately 1.5 Mach without utilizing afterburner by phenomena known as supercruise. This helps to increase the speed and range of Raptors over current fighters that use fuel-consuming afterburners to operate at supersonic speeds. The F-22 exceptional flight control helps the Raptor to outmaneuver other fighter jets. The design was thoroughly tested and improved aerodynamically over the years during the development process. The mixture of stealth, avionics, and supercruise decreases the chances for missile engagement and minimizes the enemy's chance to track and engage the F-22. Have you ever wondered why the production of an aircraft with such technology got shut down? Well, look no further. The F-22 entered service when the US military was fighting against Afghanistan and Iraq. The US was spending trillions of dollars on the global war of terror. Raptor's attributes were wasted against an enemy that could never have advanced surface-to-air missile systems or even radar. The F-22 was named as the most unlucky aircraft of all time. It had no enemy to fight, even with all these extraordinary capabilities. Prototypes. F-22 was launched into the demonstration and validation phase in 1986. The prototype YF-22 and YF-23 both completed their initial flights in late 1990, and the prototype YF-22 was declared better than the other one. In 1991, the manufacturing of the Raptor began, with contracts to Lockheed Martin and Pratt & Whitney. In 1997, the Raptor took the first ever EMD flight, and after its flight test life, this aircraft was used for live-fire testing. The F-22 program was allowed to enter low-rate initial production in 2001, and based on its extraordinary design and other factors, the program was permitted for full-rate production in 2005. The aircraft was designated as FA-22. These aircraft were so expensive, yet the US did not sell them to any foreign buyer rushing to purchase them. Why? The reason is that 186 aircraft were given to the Air Force and around 130 were in working condition. Due to this reason, the Raptor is sometimes known as a bird-facing extinction. The number of working planes is classified, but we can assume that around 100 F-22s are ready to be at war at any given time. Whenever a Raptor flies, it's one less time it will fly in the future due to the lack of spare parts available. The very last Raptor was created in 2011, and Lockheed Martin stopped its production to support the mighty F-35. If you have reached this far in the video, thank you. Be sure to subscribe to continue to enjoy more content like this. Coming back to the video. Countries such as Japan, Australia, and Israel have requested Pentagon for the purchases of the F-22 Raptor over the years, but they were refused. The sales of F-22 Raptors to foreign nations were banned after Congress voted for an amendment in 1998. The F-22 was not for sale, unlike a lot of US military aircraft. It was a fighter jet that was developed with some advanced production methods that the US military kept as a secret. The United States is the leading country when it comes to aviation technologies all over the world. Whenever the US develops new technology, China and Russia try to steal it to advance their military. They have been successful in stealing repeatedly. A clear example is when China stole the blueprints of F-22, F-35, and C-130 in 2016 using cyber espionage and an insider source. The United States has exported a lot of aircraft in the past, and these exports have always backfired. The Shah of Iran bought the US-developed F-14 Tomcats before the Iranian Revolution, and it is still flying in Iran. On the other hand, communist Venezuela secured its skies with the US-developed F-16s that were purchased back in the 1980s. Moreover, the Chinese exceptional J-10 fighter was mainly developed on the concepts of America's F-16 after the US exported related technologies to Israel. Iran's Lavi fighter program was demolished, and they sold these technologies to China. The Department of Defense is ignoring all the concerns and still supports the idea of selling abroad. The F-22 Raptor was destructive and had enhanced technology. Moreover, the F-22 Raptor has a set of distinctive features which have been categorized by the government of the United States. Due to this reason, the Raptor pilots are not permitted to use the full capabilities of these fighter planes. Some people argue that F-22 Raptors can defeat F-35 jets in an encounter. What do you guys think? Be sure to watch our video on the Russian Sukhoi Su-57 next.